Okay, so to assemble your DSTV dish, you don't need the name of the part to do anything. If you are to install any DSTV for a customer, no one will be asking you the name of the part. So learn how to assemble it and then you are good to go. So any LMB bar, this is an LMB bar. There is one side with only one hole and there is another side with either 3 or more holes. So where there is only one hole, that's where you need to fix your LMB. So any satellite dish where there is one hole on the bar like this, that's where you need to fix your LMB. And the other side with plenty holes, that's where it will go at the back of your reflector, your dish. Okay, so here we pick up this metal. You don't need the names. You pick up this one. There is some arrow over here. Make sure that the arrow faces top whenever you are placing it here. Make sure that the arrow faces top, so it will be like this. The arrow has to face top. Okay. So there are 2 holes over here, so you need to fix it. Okay, and then you join this one. Okay, and with this one there is some bent metal over here. Make sure that that metal also faces top, because that metal will block, will hold the pole to stand firm. So it will be like this. So this small bent metal over here will block this from falling from the pole. Okay, so make sure that all the time here faces top. You don't have to be like this. You don't have to be like this. You have to turn it. Okay. Okay. So we pick up this bolt. We have 2 long bolts in accessories. So you place one here. And another one here. Okay, and we tighten it up, not too hard. So with assembling a DSTV dish, you need 14 and 10 spanner to assemble it. Okay, and then you pick up this one and then we place it here. look for this long bolt, like 1-inch bolt from the accessories, and you fix it over here. So here you need to tighten it with your 10 spanner. Okay, after that, put it over here. This will, okay, place it here. Now you tighten it with your 10 bolts and nuts. Okay. So it will be from the front to back, not from back to front. It won't be like this. It will be from front to back. Okay. Okay. Then you use your 10 spanner to tighten them. Okay. So you fix this one here, which will hold the LMB. To be from the front to back, not from back to front. Okay. Okay. So here you need to open it up and then you put in your LMB. Okay. Now you fix your F connectors. Okay. So this is how you need to lay your cable. Then come down, tighten another one here. Okay.